everybody. My name is Rob Anderson. I'm an illusionist here in Las Vegas, and I'm out here tonight on the Las Vegas Strip with a couple of my new friends, George and Dika. And I stopped to talk to you both not only because you're dressed so well, but you seem like you might be a couple, like you're together. And I didn't ask you that in advance, but am I right on that? Mind reading? Oh, good. Okay. I would have felt very awkward if it was no. That would have been very awkward for me. Okay, you're a couple. That's good. Because we're actually doing a little bit of romantic magic. That's the theme of the video, couples romantic magic. So how long have you two been together as a couple?
Like almost a year.
Almost a year?
Yeah.
Good. That's great. Well, congratulations on about a year together. About a year ago, you went on some of your first dates. You got to know each other. You realized you liked each other. So hey, let's do this again. I want to take you back to your first dates with our first trick, okay? George, you're going to hold one hand out just like this. Just one hand. Dika, you're going to take one hand, hold it just like this. That's perfect. Very nice rings. I've got a card. We're going to use the 2 of clubs for this. Okay, the 2 of clubs is going to go into George's hand right there. Dika, you're going to cover that up just like that. So you're holding hands like on some of those first dates you guys had. Remember the romance? Remember the love? I've got a card that represents love. It's the 10 of hearts there. It's a much better card for you to have. Hearts do represent love. And I'm just going to ask you, did you feel that? Yes? Did you feel that? Yes? Did you feel that?
Oh my God.
Look what you have. You should have the, check it out. I want you to look. Oh, the hearts. That's a good card.
Oh my God.
Our couple in love, that's good. That's good. Let's do another one. Because I made a prediction. I predicted in advance that I would meet a couple. They would be compatible. You two do seem very compatible. You got the Gucci, the purse, the belt. Can't quite see it in the video. They're a very compatible couple. I made a prediction about you two using 4 cards. I'll tell you what they are. They're queens. I did something special with them though, okay? I made a little prediction and I don't want you to think this is sleight of hand. Dika, could you hold the cards like I have them cupping your hand just like this? Just, yes, hold your, just like that, perfect. I'm just gonna ask you to hold those, freeze, just don't let them move, just don't let them move. You're holding again the queens. This is a 2-part trick having to do with your compatibility. I won't touch the cards, I'm committed to that. George, you're first. Dika, George chose the hearts and diamonds, the red cards, that you can keep either one of those. Would you like the heart or the diamond?
Diamond.
She wants the diamond. She wants a diamond. George, it's a hint. I'm just kidding, no pressure, no pressure. I'm gonna take the pressure off. I created the pressure. Look, I knew that they would want, oh, you got your diamond right there. Boom, I knew it. Our compatible couple. I turned the diamond face up before I started this. Took it from a totally different deck of cards. I knew it would match. I knew it would match the blue there. See, that was just lucky. That was just dumb luck. But I knew that we wouldn't need any of the other cards. You two were so compatible. I only brought that diamond out here tonight for you. Just had a feeling you two would work that well together. That was very good. You're a very good couple.
Thank you.
Let's do a grand finale. Dika, I'd like you to think of any happy memory you've made with George, okay? I'm not going to guess it or say what it is. I just want you to think of a time you felt happy with George, okay? And when you have that in mind, I'd like you to try to think about what time this memory happened, to the nearest hour, like on a clock between 1 through 12. I just want you to think of the number. Here's what we'll do. I'll lay this like an hour hand at the number 6. Oh no, that was wrong. Watch the fork, watch the fork.
Oh my God.
7? 7 o'clock, you thought of 7 o'clock with him. None of these other cards matter. Only the 7 o'clock card matters. Represents a happy memory you've shared. And I'm actually going to hand this. Oh, that's a good card. Why don't you take this? When you are ready, why don't you show her what that 7 o'clock card is? Okay, George? Hey, it's Rob, and I wanted to let you know that our DIY proposal kits, they contain every romantic thing you need to stage your own proposal. They're now shipping at magicalproposals.com. Go check them out.